Tanong lang, required pa ba ang tithing or under grace na tayo? Maraming confusion dito. Sa Old Testament, merong tithing, 10% as part of the law. Pero ngayon, sabi sa Romans 6:14, you are not under law but under grace. So ibig sabihin, wala na bang tithing? Nope. Sa New Testament, mas tinaas pa ni Lord ang standard. Hindi na percentage, kundi yung puso. 2 Corinthians 9:7 says, God loves a cheerful giver. Hindi sapilitan, hindi out of fear, and giving is now a response to grace. Tithing is for those with revelation. Even si Jesus in Matthew 23:23 acknowledged tithing, pero mas importante ang heart. Also, Abraham gave tithes to Melchizedek, a picture of Jesus, and this was even before the law was given. So today, hindi ka nagbibigay para ma-bless, you give because you are already blessed. Hindi obligation kundi overflow. So kung magbibigay ka, give with joy, give with faith, give knowing na si Lord ang source mo. Believe in Jesus, my friend. Siya ang nagbigay ng lahat para sa'yo. Like, share, subscribe, and comment this. I give because I am blessed. Blessed to be a blessing.